Welcome to the Navigation Builder tutorial. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create navigation files and assign them to users. Make sure that you are logged into Prophet as a Prophet administrator or a user with permissions to access the Navigation Builder window. To enter Navigation Builder mode, click on the user icon in the upper right-hand corner of the application and select the Edit Navigation toggle. You are now taken to the Prophet Navigation Builder window. There are 4 panes in the Navigation Builder window: the Prophet Navigation, the Station Browser, the Properties, and the Preview. The Prophet Navigation pane is the navigation structure that the user sees when logging into Prophet, and will use to navigate the Prophet views that were configured for him. Category tabs run along the top of the application and allow for breaking up navigation trees into desired categories. Selecting a tab will display the navigation tree configured for the selected category. All of the views available under each category tab get displayed in the tree on the left. Let's go ahead and create a new navigation structure for a configured user. We will do so by selecting the New Navigation button. As you can see, all of the category tabs got cleared, and we're only left with the Help tab, which is there by default and displays all of the available help videos. We will create a new category tab by hitting the plus button. We will change the label of this tab. The link field allows us to select which dashboard or view gets opened by selecting this tab. We will leave it blank because we don't want this tab to open any dashboards. The icon field can be changed in 2 ways: either by selecting the Browse button and selecting the icon from the station, or if we have an icon that we like on the screen, we can just go ahead and drag it right onto the icon field. You can see that the category tab gets updated dynamically. To reorder the tabs, simply click and drag. The green indicator shows where the tab will be dropped. Now let's create some nodes underneath this category tab. We will do so by clicking New Node, renaming it, and because we want this node to act like a top-level node in a hierarchical tree, we will leave the link field blank. Let's change the icon. And now we're ready to drag in some dashboards and views into the navigation. We will do so by looking at the Station Browser pane. This pane contains 2 tabs: the Station Documents and the Files Browser, which allow you to find any desired document or file residing on the station. It also provides the ability to upload any file residing on your local computer onto the station file system. The Station Documents tab displays a tree with all of the available documents residing in the Niagara station, where Prophet is installed. This tab is filtered to display 3 types of documents: PX files, which are native Niagara views built in the engineering tool using the KitPX jar file; DGML files, which are native Prophet views built within the Prophet design mode; and Swift files, which are Adobe Flash Player files built in Adobe Flash Professional Multimedia Authoring Program. The Files tab displays the Niagara Station's full file system. We will now look for a pre-configured view on our Station Documents tab by searching through our station tree. Once we think we have found the appropriate dashboard that we want to use, before dragging into the navigation, we can double-click to pull it up in the preview window. Once ensuring that this is the correct view that we would like in the navigation, we can just click and drag it over to the navigation pane. In order to nest it in the worldwide node, we can click the dashboard and drag it over the node until the cursor goes right in the middle. Once we drop it, we have created a hierarchical tree. We can select several documents from the Station Documents tree and drag them over into the navigation. When we select one of the documents, we can see that the label is there, the link is populated, and to change the icon, we're going to go ahead and click on the Browse button. To change multiple nodes at the same time, we can select multiple by holding down the Control or Shift key, and at this time, we can change several icons. The same goes for labels and links. In order to delete a node, go ahead and select it and push the Delete key. The same goes for category tabs. Select the tab and push the Delete. Let's add another category tab and name it Files. Adding files to the navigation is the exact same workflow as adding dashboards. We're going to go ahead and select the Files tab. Find the file that we would like to add to the navigation. Double-click to preview and drag into the navigation. Once we're done creating the navigation structure and are happy with the results, we will click on the Save button, choose the default path or folder where we would like to save the file, give it a name, and as we hit the Save button, we get a pop-up asking whether we would like to associate this navigation file with the current user that is logged in or with other users. Because we are logged in with Prophet Administrator and already have a navigation structure assigned, we would like to associate it with other users in the station. We can assign this navigation to multiple users at once by holding down the Control key and selecting multiple. Clicking OK will now associate this particular navigation with the two users we had selected. Now, when either the guest or admin user log in, they will see this navigation. We can also edit existing navigation simply by clicking the Open button and selecting the file that we would like to edit. Once the file gets pulled in, we can add the pertinent documents and hit Save when we're done. This has been a tutorial of the Navigation Builder. Thank you.